Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to add payment method on Binance. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Open Binance and log in to your account. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on payment methods. Tap on P2P payment methods. Next, tap on add payment method. You can select your preferred payment method by scrolling down or using the search bar. For example, I will use UB Bank. Enter account name and account number. Tap on confirm. You have to confirm your identity by using another device to scan the QR code to finalize the process of adding a payment method. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.